Good morning, students. I want to start this class with today's thought. Thought is the secret to getting ahead is getting started. Student, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi also began a Startup India. So start the class. Standard 10th, subject Social Science History, and the chapter is Visualizing the Nation. Visualizing the nation means imagine about the nation. It is easy enough to represent a ruler, king, monarch through a portrait, a statue, image, icon. But how can one give the face of nation? Because nation is not a person, citizen is person. The artists of 18th and 19th century found the way by personifying a nation. In other words, they portrayed a nation as if it were a person. And that time, nation was presented as a female figure, and that female form that was chosen to personify the nation didn't stand for any particular woman in real life. Rather, it sought to give a face, an abstract idea to a concrete form, an abstract idea of nation to a concrete form. That is, it means female became an allegory of the nation. Allegory. When an abstract idea, for instance, greed, envy, freedom, liberty, when an abstract idea is expressed through a person or a thing, is called allegory. Allegory means emblem, pratik. An allegorical story has two meanings, one literal and one symbolic. You have studied in standard 9th. Recall, during the French Revolution, artists used to represent the idea of nation, such as liberty, justice, republic, by female allegory. And these ideals were presented through a specific object and symbol. Recall, attribute of liberty, it was the red color or broken chain. Justice, a blindfolded woman with black color carrying a pair of weighing scale. Ignorance, eye within triangle, and many allegory were used to represent the idea of nation. Similar female allegories were invented by artists in 19th century to represent the nation. In France, she was Christian Marianne. Christian Marianne, idea of people's nation, she presented, exhibit the idea of liberty and republic. Marianne, a statue of Marianne were erected in the public square. It has been the tradition of any country. The statue of freedom fighters, scientists, poet, writers, social activities is erected in the public square. People watch them and relate to them. It is the figure of father of the nation, means they represent the nation, or many others. we use as Bharat Mata, represent the country India, a tricolor flag, Ashok Chakra, a Red Cross plus Olympic Games 5 rings. So it has been the tradition. Marian images were marked on coins and stamps. Similarly, in Germany, allegory was Germania, represent to Germany. Allegory of German nation. In German representation, Germania wears a crown of oak leaf, as the German oak stands for heroism and bravery. I want to show you here the figure of Marian and Germania. It is the figure of Marian, Germania, and some symbol and its significance. Symbol broken chain, its significance being freed. Breastplate with eagle, symbol of German Empire strength. Crown of oak leaves means heroism, bravery and heroism. Sword, readiness to fight. Olive branch around the sword means willingness to make peace. Black, red and gold tricolor represent the flag of the country. A rays of the rising sun means beginning of a new era. So it is the chapter visualizing the nation. These are the facts. Now the time is for homework. First question: how had the female figure became an allegory of the nation during the 19th century in Europe? Analyze. Second question: describe the characteristics of Marian and Germania. And third, explain the term allegory. Student, it is the second last chapter. I will teach you the last chapter of the theme, the rise of nationalism in Europe, tomorrow. Thank you.